Hello guys, today we are going to host a static website using AWS S3. So first of all, we need to go to AWS S3. We need to create a bucket. So we're just going to create a bucket. So we can just static website. So we create a static website bucket. Then we need block all public access, so we just need to host that website publicly, so we just need to give the access to that. Okay, then we just need to use alc enable, access control list enable. Okay, we configure that afterwards. Okay. That's all. So we just create the bucket. I think that name is not available. So we can just put it like that. The bucket name is already taken. Okay. Just put it like, hope that is available. Yeah, so we created static website fast track code. Once the bucket is created, we can just upload the files. Okay, so for upload we just need to upload these two files. So file got uploaded. Yeah, it is uploaded now. Now we need to change the permission to public. This object should be public, so we can just make a public. Hope you understand. So I just select this two files, action, make a public using ACL. Now it is public. Then we need to enable static website hosting. Click over here. We just click to enable. We need to mention index.html. Enable static website, host static website, and then change the setting. Done. So we got a URL over here. Just click on that. Bingo, it is hosted now. You can able to view that website. Hope you understand. Thank you.